like a firefly. Sympathy Waltz. Sweeten the Royal Typewriter microphone. That's a new name for a microphone. But why not? Microphones feed thought, too. However, back to the sweet idea. Jesse Crawford, Royal Poet, has chosen a new number, which I think you'll find attractive. When I Take My Sugar to Tea.
I'm just a little Jackie Horner since I met my sugar cane. That gang of mine has been revealing that they're feeling sore. I left the lamplight on the corner for the moon in Lover's Lane. I'm doing things I never did before. When I take my sugar to tea, all the boys are jealous of me, 'cause I never take her where the gang goes. When I take my sugar to tea, I'm a rowdy-dowdy, that's me. She's a high-hat baby, that's she. So I never take her where the gang goes when I take my sugar to tea. Every Sunday afternoon we forget about our cares, rubbing elbows at the Ritz with those millionaires. When I take my sugar to tea, I'm as ritzy as I can be, 'cause I never take her where the gang goes when I take my sugar to tea. Sunday afternoon, we forget about our cares, rubbing elbows at the Ritz with those millionaires. When I take my sugar to tea, I'm as ritzy as I can be. 'Cause I never taste where the gang goes when I take my sugar to tea.
Every high school student should enjoy the advantages of a Royal portable typewriter. This handy home-sized writing machine makes homework interesting and pleasant. Themes and essays written at its lively keys are neat and legible. They are easy to read, and invariably, spelling and grammar improve noticeably with the continued use of a Royal portable. Errors that evade the eye when written by hand are quickly detected and corrected in typewritten copy. The Royal portable is the finest of home typewriters. Every family should own one. See your nearest dealer tomorrow. The price of a Royal portable typewriter is extremely moderate, and your dealer's plan of monthly payments is very convenient for immediate ownership. This is Louis A. Witten speaking.